Beating, most common method. First is falanga, bastinado, falanga. That is beating on soles by blunt object. That is falanga or a bastinado. Findings are hematoma of a sole of feet. Next is what? L. Curofano operating table. What is this? L. Curofano or operating table. What is this? Beating on abdomen while lying on a table with the upper half of the body unsupported. So it causes bruise, ruptured abdominal viscera. That is L. Curofano or operating table. Next is Telefano. Repeated slapping of both the ears by both open hands of torture causes ruptured tympanic membrane. Next is Belana, the roller. The pole pressed down with great weight on the back and then rolled up over legs and body causes crushing of soft tissues and damage to muscles, legs and body. That is Belana, the roller. Belana. Next is Cheppua, thigh placed under two wooden rods and pressed. Crushing of soft tissues and damage to muscles and legs. Next is Campana, the bell. Head is placed within a pal, which is then struck repeatedly, causes ruptured tympanic membrane. So the most common method, beating. What is that? Falanga or bastinado, El Curofano or operating table, Telefano, Belana, Cheppua, Campana. Cheppua, what is that? Wooden stick. Repeated. Campana, Falango, bastinado, El Curofano, Telefano, Belana, Cheppua, Campana. Thank you so much.